Master-level layouts always feel intentional because every frame serves a clear purpose. Today, how to design master-level frame layouts. Open Canva and start with a square canvas. Insert 2 or 3 frames in a carefully balanced but slightly asymmetrical composition. Upload your images and drag them into each frame, adjusting them individually for harmony. Select the background and apply a premium gradient or muted tone. Slightly overlap one frame to create depth while maintaining control. Add thin line elements between frames and reduce their opacity for subtle guidance. Use position tools to align everything without making the layout too rigid. Add minimal text using a clean modern font.